Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rawr. Extreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Ooh, couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses your nicky wakey till day by till day, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my widow baby tail off for your bulgy bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you could